Right now, your body is building the skeleton you'll have to live with for the rest of your life. Your 20s are your only chance to build strong bones for life. After 30, it's all withdrawals. If you miss this window, you risk brittle bones, fractures, and early osteoporosis. But the good news? It's not too late to change the outcome. Here are 5 powerful foods to build your bone bank before it's too late. First up, dairy. Milk, yogurt, and cheese give you calcium, your bone's essential building blocks. 1 glass of milk can get you close to your daily goal. Not into dairy? Fortified plant-based milks like almond or soy and some juices work just as well. Just check the label to make sure they include added calcium and vitamin D. Next up, fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and tuna. These are loaded with vitamin D, the key your body needs to absorb all that calcium. Without enough vitamin D, calcium won't stick to your bones. Bonus, canned fish with soft, edible bones gives you extra calcium in every bite. Number 3, dark leafy greens like kale, bok choy, and collard greens. These greens deliver plant-based calcium, vitamin K, and magnesium, all essential for bone strength and structure. Just a heads up, while spinach is nutritious, it contains oxalates that block calcium absorption, so it's not ideal for bone building. Number 4, nuts and seeds. Almonds and pumpkin seeds are small but mighty. They're packed with magnesium and zinc, minerals that help your bones grow stronger and support calcium's effectiveness. Then we've got beans and lentils, your budget-friendly bone boosters. They provide protein, magnesium, and phosphorus, which help build the framework of your bones and keep them strong and flexible. Just 1 handful of these foods daily builds a stronger future you. Most of your peak bone mass is built before age 30, so don't wait. Invest now to avoid fractures, weakness, and chronic pain later in life. These 5 foods can help you stay mobile, strong, and independent for decades to come. If you learned something new, give this video a like and subscribe for more weekly wellness tips. Eat smart now, and your bones will thank you for the rest of your life.